ही इज वेलकम. कितलेच लोक बसपाक सोदता कालांगूट, कितकेच जण टिकेटी मागतात. बीजेपीची पासून आय एम अ सिटींग MLA ऑफ बीजेपी. दोग तीग जण मागता न्ही. whoever it is, anybody can ask.
But you are prepared for
No, anybody can ask for ticket. Like तसे काँग्रेसीनूय टिकेटी खूब जाण मागता, तसे आपाची टिकेट मागता. If Ricky wants to contest against me, he is free to contest.
And you are more
आमची फ्रेंडशिप सदांच उरतली. I am his very close friend for many years. But my friendship with him will always remain. Politics थोडेच दिसांक आसता ती. It will be the day of election is announced and the results come out. Whoever wins will be the MLA of the constituency. It is not a very big.
So तुझ्या कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन दोग तीग जाण बीजेपीच्याच आसा.
खूप जण मागता म्हणटा हांव. क्लेम घालपाक खूप जण आसता.
आनीक जावंक शकता.
टिकेट पार्टी कोणाक दितली ती पार्टीचेर आहा.
पूण फायनली तुमी मिनिस्टर तुमी आमदार आसा तुका न्हू.
तशें कांय ना जाय. मिनिस्टराक टिकेट दिवपाचें म्हणून बरयल्लें आहा.
तुम्ही सालिगांव ट्राय करता?
ना दिता जाल्यार आमी बसतले.
सालिगांव
हांव न्हू, आमची मिसीस
गोरकार.
Delilah Lobo is Delilah Lobo is in active politics for the last 15 years. 10 years as a sarpanch, 5 years as a panchayat member. If party gives her ticket, she will contest.
This is the first time you have spoken that your missus would be interested in contesting.
She was interested in last term also.
त्यांना म्हणावं ना.
No, everybody knows that.
Knows that, yeah, correct.
Yeah.
Now you have come openly.
आमचो डिफेन्स मिनिस्टर आसलो आनी एक्स चीफ मिनिस्टर मनोहर पर्रीकर केम टू आवर हाऊस and told her not to contest.
Okay, ताका लागून
That is how Jayesh has become the MLA of that constituency. Otherwise Jayesh shouldn't have been the MLA of that.
तुम्ही मागताले तुझ्या मिसेसीक लागून सालिगांव सीट.
मागतले न्हू. टायम येयले काय शी विल गिव इट इन रायटिंग. शी इज द वायस प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ भारतीय जनता पार्टी महिला विंग. That is Mahila wing, and
she has already started her work.
She has already shown willingness. She spoke to me also. अशें डायरेक्ट ते उलयना मातशें की आपल्याक इंट्रस्ट आहा, पूण ताणें विलिंगनेस दाखयल्या आपूण बसपाक तयारी आहा.
Is this the reason that Michael is time and again called as that he could be working in the party?
No, it's not like that. थोडे जाण म्हणटले की आमी फॅमिली पॉलिटिक्स करता. तितून फॅमिली पॉलिटिक्स ना. ते ना शी इज इन एक्टिव पॉलिटिक्स for 15 years.
What about other constituency? Has Michael
No, it's not like that. We will always support the right candidate.
Like you have an eye in Mapsa, you have an eye in Porvorim.
I आसले म्हणून तशें जायना. There are no 10 Michaels to contest. So we are working from morning 7:30 onwards till night. The work gets over. 10 पासून आमी केन्ना केन्ना काम करता.
सर लास्ट टाइम दिलीप
काम करपाक लोकांनी आमकां निवडून दिलें, आमी काम करूंकूच जाय.
सर लास्ट टाइम दिलीप ओलेकर said कि there was a conspiracy because of that he lost, but this time he is very confident.
कोणे कॉन्स्पिरसी तेजीशीन केल्या तो मंत्री आसला तेन्ना. कोणे केल्या ती तोच जाणा. हांव कितें म्हणटा तें सिंपल. If my wife puts an application before Bharatiya Janata Party, if they reject it, then she is not the candidate. If they pass it, she is the candidate. So she will put a return application. That's what the other day she told me.
Okay.
That she wants to contest.
Sir,
There are two constituencies. One is Saligaon, one is Shiolim. She will put for either one. Wherever she